What's the meaning of British Lions? British Lions. British Lions.
British Lions. British Lions. The British Lions is a name used to refer to the rugby union team that represents the four home nations of England, Scotland, Wales, and Ireland, and tours countries outside of Europe. The team was formed in 1888 and has since gone on numerous successful tours, including to Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Their tours are highly anticipated events in the rugby world and draw large crowds of fans. The Lions' success is measured by their performance on each tour, with a goal of winning the series against their opponents. Overall, the British Lions represent a unique and significant aspect of rugby history and culture.